back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art Design. So glad my people are here today. Thank you. Newcomers, don't forget to subscribe and hit your notification bell at the end of the video. Okay guys, before we get started and I tell you what I'm going to do, I just wanted to give you guys a little shot of the dried results, what I did show in the video. But for those of you who have watched my epic cells and lacing video that I posted a little over a week ago, I will link that for you. But I tried something new. It was a little trick and I had an idea in my mind and I painted over that gorgeous painting, doing an abstract painting, and brought up the layers from that painting up to the surface. So I basically combined two acrylic paintings. So go take a look at that if you haven't, so you know what the painting looked like before. And you can see the lacing and the gorgeous cells, some of them, because I didn't bring it up the whole way through the canvas. But I absolutely love how this little piece turned out. And I thought I'd show that to you for those of you who haven't watched it. I just had the idea to use the black first, so it comes out last in the cup. And then what will happen is once I get to the very end of the cup, the black will come out. I'll use that negative space and start the next pour and do the same thing. I will layer them differently each time, but they will all start with black.